Hello friends, this is Suraj Jha, and here in this video I will tell you about the Newton score in short, and then I will tell you about our events which is gonna be there in this week, and then I will tell you in brief about WebXplore Hackathon, how you can win, what are the registration processes, and how you can finally develop one website and submit it to us. So let's start with our events first. So when you will come on our website, this is our website, you will go to this tab here, events. So here you will get a list of all the events which is gonna be there under NSCC. So first event is WebXplore, which has already started from today and it will be there till 29th of January. This event is about web development and marketing. So I'll tell you about it in detail in a few minutes. And then the next event which we are having is Code Hive and Code Rush X. In Code Hive and Code Rush X, both are coding contest events. Code Hive is gonna be there on 26th of January and Code Rush X is gonna be there on 28th of January. So you can register for all of these events independently, or if you want, you can even register for even just one event. So now I will tell you in brief about the WebXplore event. So when you'll click on this card, you will get to this page. So here you will find all the description about the event, and you will also find point-wise detailed description of this event, like when when the problem statement will release. So it is already released now, and then what are the rules and regulation, what is expected in this hackathon. So all of these details will be listed down here, and then you can also read about our evaluation scheme from here, and rules of participations are listed down here, and also you can scroll a bit and you will see prizes and goodies. So I'll tell you about this first, and then we'll deep down into the details and evaluation scheme of this hackathon. So prizes of this event are rupees 500 for all the winners, and in all of our event there will be total 6 winners. So here you can see the first rank among all of the first year students will get 500 rupees, and similarly the first rank among all of the second year students will again receive 500 rupees. Then first rank among all of the third year and fourth year combined will receive 500 rupees, and similarly for girls, from overall girls from PCCOE scoring first rank will get 500 rupees. Then among all of the girls from PCCOE scoring second rank will receive 500 rupees, and similarly in the end we are also giving prize for girls who are participating and are not from PCCOE, so they will also receive 500 rupees if they are getting first rank. So in total, in this event in WebXplore, we will be having total 6 winners. So this will the first year will compete with only first year, second year will compete with only second year, and third year and fourth year competition will be combined for prizes. And then we are having some special prizes for girls to encourage them to participate in our events, and we are also encouraging girls from outside PCCOE to participate in our events. So this is all about the prizes, and in the goodies we will be having goodies from Newton School, like water bottle, t-shirts, stickers, diaries, all of these things. So goodies will be given to the overall combined winner of this festival. So I will give you the more detail in the end of this video. Now let's talk about the incentives. So when you make a successful registration on this hackathon and you submit your website, so then you will be eligible for a participation certificate. So every participant whom successfully submit their website will receive a participation certificate from us, and that certificate you can share on your LinkedIn, and as well as you can share in your academic achievements, like extracurricular achievements, which can then help you get some extra marks, like extra term work in your academics. This you can use, and then after this, after the completion of your project, you can also showcase your project on your resume. So then that will definitely improve your resume. And in the end, the very important thing is chance to join NSCC. So basically what happens is, at NSCC we do not make any special recruitment drive. We mostly identify the best candidate to join NSCC via our events only. So then this event can you can use to make a good impression in front of us. Then our team can identify you, and based on that we can simply invite you to join NSCC. So all the first year and the second year students, this can be very important chance for you to showcase your skills and join NSCC via this event. The theme for this hackathon is simply any college club. So you can pick any college club. For example, here we have listed few like coding club or an art circle. So you can pick any college club and you can make a website for them. And here I will show you some examples. So when you'll search on YouTube, you will see a lot of examples explaining how to develop this website. So if you don't know much about HTML and CSS, you can refer any of this. So from there you will get to know how to develop a website using HTML and CSS. And if you want to learn HTML CSS from scratch, then you can even search for this on YouTube and you will see many such resources which are hardly 2 hours. This is 1 hour. Then you will see very many resources. For example, here HTML, CSS, JavaScript in just 30 minutes. So you can refer these websites and learn the basics. And even then you are finding it difficult, then you can explore some of these videos also. So this will help you learn HTML, CSS and how to develop website. And if you already know HTML, CSS and you want to make a really fancy website, then you can even explore Dribble. Here you can find some some designs of the website which you can use and directly code and make a successful submissions. So these are all the resources. You can even search on the Google. You will find a lot of resources regarding the development of any college club website, because this is a very common thing and it happens like every year. Every batch develops their own website for every event. So this definitely you will find many resources. So this is the theme of NSCC Web Hackathon. So you will simply develop one page website, nothing more than that, and that can be done in simple HTML and CSS. Okay, we are not expecting anything difficult like React or any Angular vagera. We are not expecting it. We are not expecting even a mobile application, anything. We are simply expecting you to develop a website using simple HTML and CSS. And if you want to explore more, you are free to explore, but it is not necessary. So now I will tell you about the registration process, how you can register for this event and how you can make your submission. So first of all, click on this register button here. So when you register, you will be redirected to this form. So here, if you will be logged in, you will directly see your all the fields. Here I'm not logged in. So first of all, I'll log in. And here I will demonstrate you how you can register on this website. So if you have already registered, you can use your credentials and you can log in from here. Otherwise, you can click on this sign up button. So then you will see a form, sign up form. So here you will enter your details. So here I will first enter my details. My name is Suraj Jha, then my email, contact@jhasuraj.com, and for password I will simply choose suggest password. Okay. So then I'll click on sign up. So once the sign up is done, then I will be automatically redirected to this page here. So then here I will have to fill all my details. So then let's fill all the details. So here you can see all the hints that your name should be first name and last name. So I'll quickly fill my detail. Email is already filled. Then my phone number I will fill. My GitHub account, this is my GitHub account. Then my graduation year is 2024. So if you are in first year, you will select 2026, and if you are in second, then you will select 2025, and accordingly you will have to select your graduation year. And for college, I will fill my college name. You can even fill a short form, a PCCOE if you want, but here I have written my full name of the college, then here my branch, and then my gender. So this gender and year is needed for us to identify and give you a special prizes. And then here this branch is needed for us to evaluate like which branch is participating the most. And then here we need your GitHub ID, because in future we'll add a link to your GitHub repo to our website. So you will also get the followers on your GitHub. So now I will demonstrate you how you can get your GitHub profile link. So if you are not already on GitHub, so how you can register, you can search on Google, GitHub, you can search, and then you will see the first result, GitHub Let's Build from here. So you can click here, then you will be landed on this page. So from here, you can click on sign up, or if you already have an account, then you can click on sign in. So I have no account, let's say. So I will click on sign up, and then a fancy registration page will appear here. So let's see this. So now they will ask all our details, for example, our email, then they will ask us to choose our password and everything. So once this process is done, you will have to complete this process. And once this process is done, then you will be redirected to some GitHub page like this one. You will be redirected to this page, github.com, after you complete your registration process on GitHub. And then from here, you need to get your profile. So you can click here on the image, top right corner, and then you will select your profile. So when you click on your profile, you will see some screen like this. So here you will see your photograph, your email, your name, and all your details on the left hand side, and your repositories and other overview वगैरह on right hand side. So then from here, what you will do, you will simply select this from the address bar. So here it is like https, then github.com, and then your username. So this you will select, and then you will come on the registration page, and you need to paste this link here. So this is your GitHub profile link. And in case you have filled it incorrectly and you don't know how to get your GitHub profile, or if you are facing any issue while registering on GitHub, please let us know. We'll help you in that case as well. So after filling all the essential details, then you can click on the register for WebXplore Hackathon. So once the registration is completed, you will see one WhatsApp group link. After clicking on this link, you will be redirected to WhatsApp. From there, you can join our WhatsApp group. And let's now go back to the event page. So this is our event page again. So once registration is completed, then you can go to the submissions. So this page will appear. So here what you can do, you can submit the URL to your website and make the final submission. So for now, I will simply submit URL to my personal website. And then I will demonstrate how you can build your own website and submit your own link. So https. So this is my personal website. So I will simply copy the URL. So whatever website you will build on your own, you will have your URL in the address bar. So you will copy from here, and then you will go to this website, click here, and then click on submit. So once you click on the submit, this pop-up will appear, submission under process. So what happens is, when we take a new submission, we evaluate it on our servers, and once it is done, it will immediately appear in a dashboard. So here you can find your website link. Okay, so once it is done, then you can copy the link to your submission. So when you click on this copy link button, so it will be copied to your clipboard. So this you can share with your friends. For example, when you copy, this kind of a link will be copied to your clipboard. So this link is specially for your submission. Okay, so when someone will come with this link, they will immediately see your submission here in the top. Okay, and also you can click on this share button. So it will open share dialog. So from here you can choose other application via which you want to share. On Windows it is not showing much, but if you are on Mac or if you are on Android devices, you will see all the available options like WhatsApp, Telegram, all these options. So now what happens is, after making a successful submission, we will evaluate your Lighthouse score, plus your site is now available for everyone to vote. So now you can also vote your own submission. So when you click here, you have got one vote. So in this hackathon evaluation scheme, I will explain in a bit. So all of this is needed. Your website submission is needed, as well as this voting plays an essential role in order to make you a winner. So this is about how you can make a submission on the website, and then you can click on this share button to share your submissions with your friends or colleagues in order to help you get more number of likes on your submission in order to help you make a winner. So now let's see how we will evaluate your submissions. So your final score will be simply equal to the sum of Lighthouse score of your website plus the votes. So I will tell you what is Lighthouse score and what is the voting system for this hackathon. So first of all, let's go to the submissions page. So here, after making a successful submission, this card will appear. From there, you can copy the link to your card. So click on this copy link button. So this will be copied, and then it will be something like this. So you will have your special submission ID in the end. So whenever you share this copied link to anyone else, then that person, if that person visit your website, you will that person will find your submission in the top and then the other submissions. So then that person will be able to vote you directly. And also when you will open this card on Android or in Mac, you can click on this share button. So whenever you click on this share button, a pop-up will appear in which you will find all the apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, where you can share your submission. So what you need to do is, after making a successful submission, you need to bring maximum number of votes to your submission in order to maximize your score, maximize your final score. Now I'll tell you what is the Lighthouse Score. So here my website is this. So let's click on it. Let's go to my website, and then here let's calculate the Lighthouse Score for my website. So here click on this button, then you will get a pop-up of Lighthouse Score. You can select this Lighthouse Score option here, then choose the desktop mode, navigation default, and analyze. So once the evaluation is completed, you will find the Lighthouse Score of your website. So for my website, the Lighthouse Score is not too good. So it is just 53, 79, 92, 82. Okay. So what we will do is, we will take the average of all these 5 values. So here in PW, I'm getting a 0 score. So we will simply add all of this. So 53 plus 59 plus 79 plus 92 plus 82, and for this 0. And then we will we will divide all of this by 500. So we will get the Lighthouse Score accordingly. Okay, so that will be your Lighthouse Score. So this is the Lighthouse Score, and the number of votes you can get. This is based on how you market your own submission, how you can advertise your submission. So the Lighthouse Score, this one plus the votes, will give you the final score, and the winner will be the one who will get the maximum final score. So now again, here I'll tell you how you can maximize your Lighthouse Score. So first of all, let's click on this. So whenever you click on this one of the boxes, let's say I will click on accessibility here. So you will find the suggestions in the, below. So for example, here you can see image element do not have alt attribute. So that's why my score is less. And here it is also showing me the screenshot of which image actually it is talking about. So let's click on it, and here it is highlighting me. Okay, and if you want, you can even scroll down. So let me just show you. So it was talking about this image here, and this image is displayed here below. So this image does not have an alt attribute. That's why my score is bit less than expected. So if here I already know what I want to do in order to maximize my score, so I will do it. Otherwise, if you don't know, then you can click on this learn more button. So when you click on learn more button, you will find a detailed tutorial of it. So using that tutorial, then you can improve your website, and definitely then it will help you push up your Lighthouse Score. So what you will do is, you will develop your website, you will calculate the Lighthouse Score for your website, and then you will see the suggestions which it's showing here. And then after reading the suggestions, you can maximize your Lighthouse Score. So the maximum score actually you can get is up to 100, and making a 100 Lighthouse Score will be very beneficial. Then you will only have to care about the number of votes. So what you can do is, you can get around, let's say 80 to 90 Lighthouse Score, and you can make your friends and other colleagues vote for you. You can get 40 to 50 votes. Then this situation can really help you make the winner. So now I hope you understood how the evaluation process is. First one is the Lighthouse Score, second one is voting, and all of this will make you winner. How we will calculate your Lighthouse Score? So we are calculating your Lighthouse Score on our servers. So we have the automated process. When the hackathon ends, we'll automatically reevaluate all your submissions in the end. So then we'll calculate your final Lighthouse score. So when you'll make a submission right now, so you feel free to edit it again. So what I'll suggest is, as soon as you register for your for this event, click immediately come and submit your website link here, such that you will be you can get the maximum number of votes in the span of 8 days. And then after, during this duration of 8 days, you can constantly work on your website to improve it. So in this way, you will be able to maximize your chance of winning this hackathon. So I hope you got the complete idea of this hackathon, what you need to do and how you can win this hackathon. In case you have any further doubt, you can write in our WhatsApp groups. From there, we can simply answer you. And I wish you to register for this event and make the submission as fast as possible, so that you can get the maximum number of votes. And then you can use the span of 8 days to optimize your website and get the best Lighthouse score well. I wish you all the best. Do participate and win this contest. Thank you so much.